Hey, what's going on? I'm Apprentice Demand, and in today's video, we're going to do a review on Artesian Wells Nature's Life Water. There's so many names on here, I don't know what to call it, but that's what we're testing today. Let's go ahead and open this up. And this is another bottle that I picked up on my trip to Wisconsin. I was like, I wonder how it is. Let's go ahead and test it. My friend was like, yeah, do that. So, here it is right here. Like it that the cap came off easy. And we're going to be comparing it to this electrolyzed reduced water. Let's see how both of these fare against one another. Alright, so that being said, the first test we are doing is on antioxidants. And this is the most important test of all the tests we're doing today, and it's mainly because we want to reduce that oxidation, lower that inflammation, and really help fight off dis-ease in the body. Alright, so how are we going to do that? We are going to use this meter from Pinpoint. It tests oxidation, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this wand and we're going to put it into both of these beverages. If we see a positive number, that means that Pinpoint is saying that's oxidizing. If we see a negative number, then Pinpoint is saying that as an antioxidant. So this has nothing to do with me. It's all what Pinpoint's saying, alright? So let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what happens with Artesian Wells Nature's Life Water. I think I said that right. Alright, so we are seeing 256 and going up, alright? Which means Pinpoint is saying it's oxidizing. Alright. So let's check out the electrolyzed reduced water and see what we get there. And we are seeing a negative 782, 780. So this is a very strong antioxidant according to Pinpoint, right? So there you have it. That concludes the first test. And if you're like, man, oxidation, inflammation, there's waters that do that, and like, how does that work? Don't worry, I got you. There's a video somewhere around me where I share why this is the most important test when it comes to your drinking water. Check that out. For all the rest of you, let's go ahead and jump into that next test. Alright, the second test that we are doing is on alkalinity, and most of us know about this, but we're going to take these pH drops from Ion Faucet. We're going to put them into both of the beverages, and if we see a red, orange, or yellow, the drops are indicating that it is an acidic beverage. If we see a blue, purple, or dark purple, that means it's being indicated as being alkaline. Green is neutral. Okay, so let's see what we get here with Nature's Life Water. Nature's Life? Nature's Life is looking acidic. No. That's the name, right? Nature's Life? Pretty sure. Let me check the name. Nature's Life Water. This is looking acidic. So if you're drinking this and you're trying to wonder what's going on and why I'm freaking out like this, you want to check out The Truth About pH. It's another video that I have up somewhere around here, and lets you know why this plays such an important role in our health, and what this truly means. All right. In the meantime, the electrolyzed reduced water is looking alkaline. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into our next test. All right, for that third test, this one I like to call superior hydration, and we want to ensure that we're getting hydrated at a cellular level. Okay. So how are we going to do that? Or how we're going to do this test? We're going to make tea, alright? So let's go ahead, get some tea bags out, and we're going to use the tea bags as a representation of our body dehydrated, okay? And so we're going to add water and see if the water is actually small enough to make tea without having to boil it, right? That's the key. We shouldn't have to boil water every time in order for us to get hydrated. So we're going to take both of these tea bags, put them here, with the tag, that's fine. We're going to take this Artesian Wells Nature's Life water, which I'm looking at it now. It says is prepared by distillation or reverse osmosis. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and partially fill this. Then we're going to do the same thing with the electrolyzed reduced water. And then I'm going to give these 10 dunks. And we're going to see if we get tea from one of these waters, or both of them, or none of them. Alright, so let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you see we're getting some tea from the electrolyzed reduced water, but we're getting a very light amount from the, and I'm still dunking it, trying to get it to catch up, from the Nature's Life water. And so, I don't know. I don't feel like it's doing that great of a job. Let's do it. Let's go without the dunking, without the air, and let's just pour them and see what happens. Let's do the Nature's Life. And it doesn't look like we got much of anything, right? Looks the same, if not worse, than the first time we did it. Well, let's look at this electrolyzed reduced water. And it's a lot darker. It's the same. Probably as the last one. But, there you have it. Nature's Life is, it says sodium free. Prepared by reverse osmosis, which is one of the worst types of water to consume, but I'm telling you, if you change your water, there's tea there. Oh my gosh, there's actually a lot of tea because it's turned super dark. But this water is actually able to pick it up and bring out the color and bring out the flavor and all that. So there you have it. And of course, if you want to learn the magic to this third test, I got a video for that too. It's just right around here somewhere. All right. Check that out. You're going to absolutely love it. And in the meantime, let's do a quick recap of this water. Alright, so we tested Artesian Wells Nature's Life water for 3 things. The first one was antioxidants, and the pinpoint meters said that it was oxidizing, while the electrolyzed reduced water showed up as an antioxidant, right? The second test we did was on alkalinity, and when we put the ion faucet drops into both of these, we found out that this is really acidic, and looking at it, it's because it's reverse osmosis and they didn't add anything back in. I don't think they added any minerals. So it was really acidic, while the electrolyzed reduced water was really alkaline. And then last but not least, we tested for superior hydration to ensure that it can hydrate us at a cellular level, and we did that through tea, and we saw that the tea just wasn't showing up with the Nature's Life water, while the electrolyzed reduced water, we're able to make all kinds of tea. Alright? So there you have it. That concludes this review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you are looking for a water, if you're looking up this review, that means you're looking for a water, and you want one that's great for your health, antioxidant, all that great stuff, check out the masterclass I have that talks about this electrolyzed reduced water. Alright? It is the first link in the pinned comment section. Alright, so check that out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.